All right, guys, this is the 70th hired request on the current list. It is Michael Bublé, Everything. And let's take a listen to it here. And so forth. Hello everyone, I'm Shawn and welcome to my Easy Piano Lessons. We're about to do the part 1 lesson here. All of the lessons for this are on my website, webpianoteacher.com, along with thousands of other lessons I've made over the past 11 years. Something on there for everyone, any genre you can think of, any level. Even if you are a complete beginner, I have 50 basic easy piano lessons to get you started if you don't know anything about music, anything about piano. Everyone's got to start somewhere, right? Okay. Anyone you think of who is really awesome at whatever they do, you got to go back far enough. There was a time when they didn't know anything about the craft they were going to learn. So we all start somewhere for sure. Now, this is kind of a mix of the piano part and the other instruments, okay, so that it sounds like the album version. If I did just what the piano plays, it wouldn't be as satisfying, I don't think, as the arrangement I'm giving you here. It's got the guitar in there a little bit, and of course what the bass guitar is doing. So we're going to start with the left hand on a low D, the right hand on a middle A right below middle C, 2 finger on that A, count 1, 1, 2, count 2. I'm going to do this, F sharp octave, because the guitar plays the higher octave, the piano plays the lower octave, and then right after that we're going to play a B on the left hand, 1, 2, and bum, bum. While you're holding the B down here on the left hand, we're going to go A, G sharp, 2, 1. While you're holding the G sharp, we'll switch to E on the left, right hand F sharp, and then B, E on the right, E on the left, and then da, 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 D, A, D, right, left, right. Let's do that from the beginning. Slow. Go. 1, 2, and ba, ba. So the tough thing is the rhythm, not necessarily the notes you're playing. All right, so faster. Now, after that, we'll go left, right, right. So left hand D, right hand A to F sharp octave again. Left hand goes to B, ba 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 ba. A, G sharp, then left hand E. Sorry. Okay, so let's go from the beginning at a slow tempo and go 1, 2, and ba 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 ba. All right, so there's your part 1. I also did just another Michael Bublé song called Crazy Love. So 2 of those, and I know I've done others that are on the site that other people have hired me to do. So getting a Michael Bublé collection there of lessons for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and thanks for watching. Talk to you later.